Everyone, this is Jason at SportsBoxBreaks.com coming to you live on 6/19/2020. I'm doing our 2020 Gold Rush Multi-Sport Vault by Steel City. This is a box break draft, all right, and this is number 7. We're going to use random.org to figure out our draft order. We're going to roll the dice. Whatever number comes up is what will random the list. If it does come up a 2, we will do it 3 times. Participants are placed into the list based on the spot they purchase. So here we go. We got Donald M and Angel F in there twice. We're going to do it 3 times because that's what the dice told us to do. 1, 2, and 3. All right. Well, Angel not being here is not going to matter. Don, you have the first pick here. And then we have 3 on the dice just to show it's all on the up and up. And Angel will get the other 2 cards. All right, so we're going to open up the case. This was one of 2 cases. Riley kicked off the number 1 pick in all of it in break 1. So he picked the left case, I believe it was at the time. So we're going to line up these boxes for you, Don, top to bottom here. And they'll go from top to bottom 1 through 6. So you tell me which one you want, 1 through 6. Which one would you like? Top to bottom, 1 through 6. The top one, all right, Don wants this one up there. Slide this. Let's do it. Let's see what we can find in here. All right, first one up. Ooh, transcendent, isn't it? Yes, it is. Wow. How about, and I'll get a better focus on this. Give me a second here. This is crazy. A lot of transcendent in this. 8 of 10, Johnny Bench purple. 8 of 10, Johnny Bench purple. I'm trying to get as best focus on this card as I can. The glare off of the BGS thing is a little rough, but it is an 8 out of 10. Johnny Bench, 9.5. Auto 10 out of Transcendent 2018. 2018 Transcendent, Johnny Bench. This one's really light. Ooh. How about an 88 Brett Hull? Brett Hull, 88 DNA certified, auto 9. So a Brett Hull autoed, authenticated by PSA. And our last one, a little heavier. An Ichiro Transcendent to 50. An Ichiro base Transcendent to 50. Just being transcendent, you know there's going to be value in it. 21 out of 50 on that one. All right, so Donald, you get first pick at whatever one you want, and Angel will get the other 2. Where's T? T would be freaking out over that card right now. I don't know, Dustin. It says basketball's in it, buddy. All right, what do we say? That's what I would have went with. I would have went with that, Don. I would have went with the bench. All right, so Donnie's getting the bench. Don is getting the bench. I don't know why I called you Donnie, buddy. Getting kooky. Angel, you're going to get the Brett Hull. And you are going to get the Ichiro. All right, guys. Thanks a lot. Appreciate it. Get them shipped out to you soon. Okay.